Here we've made a window in the dura surrounding the optic nerve. Here's the edge of the dura. Here's the nerve itself. Here's the arachnoid. The dura is continuous with the outer layer of the eyeball, the sclera. We'll be returning here shortly. For now, we'll put the contents of the orbit back in place. The optic chiasm is a crossover point for optic nerve fibers. The fibers of each nerve that connect to the medial half of the retina cross over into the opposite optic tract. The fibers that connect to the lateral halves of the retinae stay on the same side. Now we'll move on to look at the third, fourth, and sixth cranial nerves, the oculomotor, trochlear, and abducent. They're motor nerves. Between them, they supply the 6 muscles that move the eye and also the levator of the upper lid. As we've seen, the oculomotor nerve arises between the cerebral peduncles, the trochlear nerve arises from the back of the midbrain, and the abducent nerve arises below the pons. The bony opening that these 3 nerves pass through is the superior orbital fissure, but their openings in the dura are quite a bit further back. The oculomotor nerve passes through the dura just alongside the posterior clinoid process, which is here. The trochlear nerve passes through the dura here. The abducent nerve down here. To follow them, we'll remove the dura over this area. We'll also remove this structure that we'll see later, the trigeminal ganglion. This cavity that we've opened into is the cavernous sinus. In the living body, it's filled with venous blood. Within the cavernous sinus lies the internal carotid artery. The third, fourth, and sixth nerves pass forward in the lateral wall of the cavernous sinus. Here's the oculomotor, here's the trochlear, here's the abducent. All 3 nerves pass forward into the orbit through the superior orbital fissure, which is here.